John 8:32, for you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Thank you.
Hamjabo. On behalf of the Maribe family, I want to express our thanks to the Almighty God. It has been a torturous journey. We have suffered both emotionally, financially, and everything else. But we thank God that He has come to this kind of an end. We were never in doubt about the outcome because we assist of the facts of the case. And I would also want to thank our legal team led by Counsel Katwa here. Mr. Juguna Tess is around, Mary, I don't know whether she's here. And they have done a wonderful job. We really pray God that they help them. We also want to help our friends who have kept praying with us all through those years. And we also to thank a section of the media, not all of you. Some of you have been quite hostile, but we understand. Others have been very supportive. But we say that God has been assigned